Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Today I will giving you something else. All of you my student are know that I am taking your class computer and physics also. This class will be for computer student. Okay. Now in your computer networks chapter I will give you some information, and this video will be, I think this video will be helpful for you to understand what is the computer network and how can we use it in our daily life and which resources are involved in here and how types of network. I will give you the total explanation for this video. Okay, now I am going to describe about what is computer network. I am giving here in your video, look at this, the video written portion. Here is given a definition or a description for computer network. Here is given a computer network is a group of computers that use a set of common communications protocols. We mean that computer network is a group of network. तो क्या समझते हैं हम लोग इस वर्ड से जे a group of networks will be the computer networks. When we use the networks here means the group is individually including here. Okay, and the communication protocols is given. The communication by the help of computer network we can communicate in our daily life and we can use for communicate the computer network. Over digital interconnection for the purpose of sharing resource located on or provided by the network node. The best known computer network is the internet. In our daily life, all of you know that, and we are fetching about the internet words. Okay, the internet is the best computer network. By the help of computer network or internet, we can communicate lot of people at a time. Now we know we can use the in our daily life the social network service like a Facebook, and here is we know that some definition is there and network is including in the term also. The social means the in our socially, and Facebook is the social network service. Okay, here is also including the network term. By the help of Facebook and the social network we can communicate with many people at a time who may be our friend or not, but we can communicate them by the help of our internet and social network. When we are going to discuss about the computer network, here we can see many devices are connected with the computer and many computers at a time are connected each one to each other. So this may be a net and this connection will be calling the network. So I think it's clear what is computer network or my student. Now the network structure. Network structure is a term used to describe the method of how data on a network is organized and viewed. First things is that when we want to communicate one to another, so the things is that we can send some message, we can give some instruction and data introduction, anything you can, some links, some videos, some electrical charge, that is the whatever you want to give. So the data information whatever you want to give, here is some things is needed. The structure of network, look at in your video, here is given the structure of network. Sender, receiver, message, transmission medium and protocol. The term is given in here. So in term of sender, I can tell you sender is ऐसी चीज़ है जिससे हम कुछ मैसेज या इंस्ट्रक्शन हम भेज सकते हैं. अगर सोचो, इफ़ थिंक यू you want to send something to another. So your computer will be the sender that's needed, and the receiver, who received this, that person will be the receiver, and that computer will be the receiver. Okay, so and third terms is message. So message will be data, information, instruction, and video, audio, what you needed, the totally depending upon the user, that is will be the message. So sender, receiver, message, it's clear to you. In our daily life always we use it. एंड ट्रांसमिशन प्रोटोकॉल, ये सब चीज़ तो सही है, जो सेंडर क्या है, रिसीवर क्या है, मैसेज क्या होता है, लेकिन हाउ इट्स गोइंग ऑन, ये सारी चीज़ जो डेटा तुम भेज रहे हो, जो इन्फॉर्मेशन तुम दे रहे हो किसी को, तो हाउ इट्स पॉसिबल टू ट्रांसफ़र वन प्लेस टू अनदर. हाँ, दिस इज़ द ट्रांसमिशन मीडियम. कैसे ये जा रहा है, ये वायरलेस ट्रांसमिशन मीडियम है क्या, वायर विथ कनेक्टिंग ट्रांसमिशन मीडियम है, जो भी हो, दिस इज द मीडियम will be the transmission medium. And protocol, in our computer one term is, I am telling you that previous classes, yeah, that is the intermediator. प्रोटोकॉल को हम लोग इंटरमीडिएटर बोल सकते हैं. क्यों? इंटरमीडिएटर कोई ऐसी चीज़ है जिसके पास जो अगर कोई किसी बोलेगा, क्या सोचेगा, जो लैंग्वेज, हर लैंग्वेज का इंफॉर्मेशन का लैंग्वेज जो भी चीज़ का है, या बंगाली, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, जो भी, अगर सोचो जो रिसीवर ने इंग्लिश वर्ड सेंड कर दिया, तो इंटरमीडिएटर अगर इंग्लिश नहीं समझ आएगा इंटरमीडिएटर को, तो ये इट कैन ट्रांसमिट इट, but it can't transfer it. So that's why the protocol will be the intermediator between the network's component. Okay, so now it's clear to all my students that's how can we communicate with our one friends to another, that's by the help of our computer, yeah, computer networks, and which are including in here, that is the sender, receiver, message, transmission medium, protocol. Okay, and how does a computer works, कंप्यूटर कैसे काम कर सकते हैं. Here is something specialized, the term is given, the switch, router and access point from a foundation of computer network. Okay, we know that. Here is look at in your video, and each and every term का थोड़ा थोड़ा करके एक्सप्लेन कर चुके हैं मैं. ठीक है, स्विच, कनेक्ट एंड हेल्प टू इंटरनली रिसोर्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर, जैसे एक एक करके, जैसे है प्रिंटर, सर्वर, राउटर, और थोड़ा थोड़ा जो कंपोनेंट इसके साथ जुड़े हुए हैं कंप्यूटर के साथ, ये सारे हम लोग वी कैन यूज इट. ओके, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द टाइप्स ऑफ नेटवर्क. इन टाइप्स ऑफ नेटवर्क, some networks name I am giving in your video. That is, number one is the personal area network, that is PAN short form, and local area network, that is LAN. Third one is wireless local area network, that is WLAN. Campus area network, that is CAN. Metropolitan area network, that is MAN. Wide area network, that is WAN. Storage area network, that is SAN. And steam area network, also we know as the SAN. Here is given some types of network, and next video I will explain you individually each and every networks, types of networks which have in your class 12 HS syllabus. Okay, now I think this video will be helpful for all my students, the basic concept of network. And today and from next class I will give you the total explanation about the each and individual part of